Hey guys, I'm here at the Royal Solaris, about to go on a tour to Todos Santos. It's a small beachside town on the Pacific side. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from here. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll catch up to you later. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment, and I'll catch up to you. Bye-bye.
People who like to smoke cigar, they use sometimes this brand. They wet the cigar a little bit, light them up, and it's going to start smelling kind of nice. Okay, it's a whiskey. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm in the old town of Todos Santos on the Pacific Ocean side of Los Cabos. It's a really quaint little Mexican town. A lot of shops, a lot of galleries, a lot of restaurants, ice cream shops, places to eat. It really is a cool little place to walk around and immerse yourself in the Mexican culture. I think you'll enjoy it. The Old Town area is within an 8 to 10 block radius and very easy to get around. Come across many different and unique jewelry stores in the old town, all featuring beautiful silver pieces. How about a class on where pearls come from? You'll see many boutiques with handmade clothing for sale. Stop in Rocco's for some delicious ice cream.
It's a natural filter called cultus diastec used for look at the trajectory of the sun. If you can try, you can look through the sun or a solar eclipse.
If I look through it, you say.
Yeah.
The mission Santa Rosa de la Palma, the Todos Santos mission, was founded by Roman Catholic Jesuits in 1733 and dedicated to Saint Rose of Lima. The mission was the first European settlement at the site, now known as Todos Santos. Besame Mucho Bazaar is one very cool place to browse. So much to see, experience, and buy. Art galleries are everywhere in the old town. Definitely stop in as you walk by and see all the unique and beautiful art. There are so many little shops and plazas to shop in featuring typical tourist gift items, but also a whole variety of shops offering uniquely Mexican items. How about stopping for a cerveza while you're walking around an outdoor flea market? many restaurants to stop in for a bite to eat and a margarita. If you are into real leather, you have to check out Panchos. Really incredible stuff. Alright guys, I'm back. I did the best job I could today. I hope you enjoyed it. We could only do the old town part of Todos Santos. Did not have time to go down to the beach area because the tour was short. But hopefully you enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Appreciate it. Till next time. It was a lot of fun touring the old town of Todos Santos. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out all our other videos. See you next time.